Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tionia in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And now I have few chicken breasts here and I cut them in two. I'm gonna make a quick on the stove grill chicken for you. Alright, chicken breast. So we're gonna add some seasoning to it. I have my all-purpose seasoning and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of that. We have some garlic powder. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Black pepper, put a little black pepper, about half teaspoon. About a teaspoon of my onion powder. Something like so. I'm gonna put just a smidge of salt, just a smidge, like 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm gonna put like a teaspoon or two of my paprika. And I have this Jamaican seasoning, all-purpose, some form of meat seasoning. All right guys, and then you just want to rub it up. Okay, mix it all together. Oh wait, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. When you add the olive oil, it's it make it be moist and easy to rub the season. About a teaspoon. There it is. Rub everything up. All right, something like so. All right. I'm gonna just leave this for like 15 minutes and I'm gonna get my grill pan or my pot ready. All right my peeps, and this is it. Now I'm gonna put some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. All right, something like that. All right, I'm just gonna use a brush just to make sure all of it coated with the oil, with olive oil. All right, and over here now guys, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna set them in. And you want this to fry up. All right, give it about say 5 minutes and then we're gonna come back and flip it over. All right my peeps, so after about 5 minutes you just want to continue to flip them over. All right, so we're gonna take a look at it. Look at that goodness guys, look at that. All right, look at that goodness. Yeah, this one will brown up a bit more. All right, let's turn up these 2 parts now. There you go. All right, and you want to give this another few minutes. Well, let it fry up, and you keep rotating it until it fries. I don't have a cover for it guys, but I have a big fat cover and I just cover it a little bit. Okay, look at the goodness here guys. Yeah, and I'm gonna flip them over again. Look at that beauty. Oh, it's cooked already guys. It's going to mash up. Oh yeah. So you want to do this about 2 times. Give it a good 10 minutes on each side. And guys, it should be all done. Look at that goodness. All right guys, it's ready. All right. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove them and put them over here for a little bit. And with all this goodness, I have some asparagus and I'm just gonna saute them a little bit. A little bit more olive oil over it. And a little bit of salt and black pepper. That's it. Alright. And I'm just gonna saute these up a little bit. Fry up these just to, you know, make them a little bit soft. And then that's it. And I'm steaming a little bit of white rice to go with it. So over here, I'm gonna just make some gravy to go with it. I have some of my blended season, some of my garlic paste. I will leave a link to that. Some onion and about a teaspoon of olive oil. We're just gonna saute this up for a minute. Alright guys, so this one, I can turn the stove off. They're all done. Alright, so that's that. Now I'm gonna pour some water, about 1/3 cup or half cup. This is my sweet chili. I'm gonna put like 1/4 cup. And I have some ketchup, and I'm gonna put another 1/4 cup of ketchup. Something like so. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of hot pepper. If you don't like it hot, don't put too much hot pepper. Put about a teaspoon. Ooh, that's too hot, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. I'm gonna tip a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Just let this come to a boil. When it starts to boil like this, I have about, you can put about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of cornstarch, just to thicken it up a little bit. Like a teaspoon of soy sauce, just like that. Add a little bit more flavor, and that's it guys. Another minute. I'm gonna turn my stove off, and that's my gravy for you. We're just gonna serve up some, and my rice, my gravy, and my chicken. Ooh boy. Alright, let's take up some of this. Alright, we're gonna set it here. Alright guys, we have a cup of rice. I hope it come out good, because sometimes I don't know where I'm with the rice. Hot. Ooh, hot, hot, ooh, hot. Perfect, yeah. Alright guys, and look at my chicken breast. We're just gonna take up about 2 pieces. We're gonna set it 1 piece like that. I'm gonna serve up like 2 pieces. Okay, set the next piece. Something like so. Maybe I put it upside down. Right. Time for the gravy, and we're all done. Look at that goodness, guys. Can you see that goodness there, guys? I think that's it. We don't want to overdo it. And this is it guys. Yes, my stovetop grill chicken breast. Serve up with some rice, some asparagus, yes, and my gravy. I'm gonna dive in it now guys, and I want to cut the chicken and show you. All right, and this is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Super delicious, well seasoned, well flavored. Yes. I'm gonna cut it and show you, okay? Look how easy. All right. Focus. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well seasoned, guys. Spicy. Look at that. The fall apart. So good. Oh, amazing. Bye, guys.